I think non-operative sports medicine plays such a crucial role in the system at Rothman Orthopaedics because about 80% of what we see at Rothman Orthopaedics that walks through the door does not require surgery. And that is a situation where myself and my team really can help you understand what your problem is, understand what your options are, and maximize your returns on treatment, all while avoiding the knife. A very common misconception about non-surgical treatment options is they don't necessarily work in the long term, or it creates an undue burden on the individual to do a lot of self-management. I often say that you can't overlook the work that needs to be done to recover, but when a dedicated individual commits to a non-surgical plan, it can be highly successful in managing pain and restoring function. At Rothman Orthopaedics, we strive to provide high-quality, affordable, compassionate musculoskeletal care. We strive to demonstrate excellence by being involved in the community, being involved in research, and being involved in education.